I trying to break the sire bond. Haley was there for me. She helped me get through it, but nothing else happened.
Then why would Klaus think that?
Because I'd rather him think that than know the truth. There are other hybrids that need to be set free. Haley and I can help them. But if Klaus found out about what we're trying to do, he'd kill us all.
Hey, Jeremy. Sorry we're so late. We had to take this crazy detour.
There was a gas leak. Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, and we had to stop by Tyler Lockwood's house because we had to see Caroline. We talked to her for a little bit, but...
How is she? Angry, full of guilt. Hasn't said a word to me other than she wants to be left alone. It's not my journal. Had to go through 6 locks to get it. Needed something to back up your insanity.
You figure out how to tell Klaus you lost a hunter and a hybrid?
He's on a plane, which means I get to live for another 6 hours. She doesn't need to know that she killed her chance of being human again.